Greetings, greetings, greetings. Tell me something. If you do something for somebody where your brother, you do it better than you would have do it if you do it for somebody where I know your brother, or you do it worse. Like say it's not that important for you do it good. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God and talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop one comment below, and share this video with everybody where you know. And if you don't do it yet, where you wait, Penny? Just go on now and click the subscribe button and the notification bell too, to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So 5 o'clock Jamaica time every morning.
A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Today, I'm going to read from Paul's first letter to Timothy, chapter 6, from verse 1 to verse 2. All who are slave must know say their master forget respect, so nobody can talk bad about God or about what we teach. If anybody have one master we believe in a Jesus too, then no fi respect them no less, just through the two of them a brother. But since them and them master a brother, them fi respect them even more and serve them better. Cause it means that them a help to take care of God people we him love. And them sitting here, me I beg you to teach and to push the people them to do. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.